Susanna Martin was a witch dwelt in his brain. With brilliant eye and salty tongue she wore them so sweet. And went to the judge's court, the sheriff's right her with her. The lilacs droop and she passed by, and then was seen to wither. A witch she was Rodrigue, and it week only had a eye. It did not seem that one as she was sad and so vile. And when cold the flicker was proclaiming evil ways, she laughed aloud and loudly, made caught her mother's gate. Who had bewitched me, she had destroyed everyone. If they be really him, because you know it's Alice white. And then the stricken ones may move as she across the air. They saw her shape upon the wind, so none could that was there. The neighbors answered through the truth of the satanic house, but she could fly on land and stream a hundred shooting showers. At night was said she had been a cat of fears on me. Before she'd ever day had cried to keep her spirits clean. The spectral heavy days were where they stared the persons by. But sono suffer wish to leave the street in the book. Susanna Martin so accuses bear with flame inside. I scold the film for they alone, but filthy goes his blind. But those bewitched a crier out aloud their voice to ring. They saw a bird above her head, an evil yellow feet. And so beneath the sunny sky Susanna Martin died. Still as gold she faced the moon, her calm rebel high.